Hello everyone, I'm Alex from M22 Tactical, and I'm here to show you how to install and remove the RedCat. Once you get the hang of it, the process takes less than 10 seconds. So, let's get to it. Before you begin, always be sure to unload and clear your firearm to remove all ammo from the area. First, look for the three squares on the top and the front of the RedCat. Orient them toward the barrel of the rifle. When installed, the RedCat will sit in the trigger cavity around the hammer. Hold the takedown pin on the lower receiver. Now, separate the upper and the lower receiver by rotating them apart using the pivot pin as a hinge. Place the RedCat in the trigger cavity as shown. The RedCat will come to rest around the hammer and protrude slightly outside the lower receiver. Finally, close the upper receiver down onto the lower receiver and reinstall the takedown pin. As the RedCat settles into its final position, you may need to squeeze a little to align the takedown pin. Now let's do a function check with the RedCat installed. Start with the safety switch on safe. Pull the trigger. The safety should stop the trigger. Next, move the safety switch to fire and pull the trigger. The trigger should fully travel with no brake. Finally, re-engage the safety and pull the trigger. The safety should re-engage freely and stop the trigger. You're now ready to begin training. When you're finished, removing the RedCat is very similar to installing it. Pull the takedown on the lower receiver. You may need to squeeze the upper and the lower together to release the takedown pin. Separate the upper and the lower receiver by rotating them apart using the pivot pin as a hinge. Remove the RedCat. Close the upper receiver down onto the lower and re-engage the takedown pin. Don't forget, perform a function check to ensure the rifle has returned to normal operating state. With a sleek and simple design, this little guy fits anywhere into your daily routine. Use the RedCat for just 10 minutes a day and watch the results roll in. For more information about the RedCat and how to get yours today, go to redcat22.com. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.